I want to talk about this wood putty from Boncart. This is a new purchase for me. You can see right here what you get, the putty right there. This one is a walnut shaded. You can see right there you get a couple putty knives as well for application. Additionally, a couple different versions of sandpaper for touching it up at the end. And you see right here downstairs I've got a hardwood floor and a little bit of operator error. There's a gap there, no real way to true it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it with this, and hopefully that's going to take the take the bad look away. You can see right here, open it up, and basically I'm just going to apply it right inside the hole, and it takes a little bit of finesse to get it. If it's a deep hole, you want to make sure you get it down there. You don't want any cavities in there. You can see right there, keep applying, and after it's applied, you're going to wait about 6 hours. I waited overnight, kind of let everything settle. You'll see right here in a moment. Come back and take a look. It looked really good. Right there you can see it dries a little bit lighter, but good shade. I'm going to sand this up, touch it up, and it's going to look fantastic. If you need to touch up some woodwork, click on the link in the description below.